where here is a text. I'm going to take it. So we are going to stretch it and create the designs here. Make it again choose the designs. Explore the different options. I will try that one. Use the different shapes. Use an eraser tool there. There are some shapes here. You will find some further shapes and designs as well. So there we have